Alright, alright. This is my bike, and it's pretty much all stock. It has um, Odyssey pedals on it, Odyssey twist pedals. It has Alienation Fat Boy seat. It has Shadow Conspiracy grips. Yellow, I know, I like red and yellow. Um, it has stolen profile cranks, stolen eternity rocket, and mechanic half link with alienation back rim and a stock back hub, alienation front rim, and a stock. Uh, I got four shadow pegs at the very beginning, but now I only have two. The other one's lost in my room somewhere. I don't know where it went. And the Haro 300.1 frame with a stock headset and stem. It has pretty much Haro everything. Um, I should have got a premium instead. They're much more quality. They work just like the Haro does, but they are more expensive and a lot easier to come by. Give me one second.